When choosing a color line for your salon, it is important to check your expectations with the features and benefits of the offered products. What exactly do you expect from a color line? My expectations would be excellent and easy formulation gray coverage, long-lasting reds and coppers, beautiful blondes, and extraordinary shine, softness, and healthy hair. Some stylists may think that's impossible, but it's not. Joico makes it possible with LumiShine Pre-Blended Permanent Cream Color. If you are looking for a color brand that can help you achieve easy and healthy color results so that you can actually focus on what's important, which is your client, the haircut, and your color technique, rather than worrying about your formulation, then keep watching. While LumiShine also features 2 demi-permanent and an anti-aging color range, this video will focus on the technology, the benefits, a color family overview, and the foundational instructions of LumiShine Permanent Cream Color. Let's have a look at the innovative Repair Plus technology that makes it possible for LumiShine to deliver these amazing results without sacrificing the health of the hair. LumiShine uses Argiplex technology, which features arginine, a strengthening and bond-building element that naturally has a high presence in the hair but is easily lost while coloring. Whereas most traditional hair color brands work purely with ammonia as the ingredient to open the cuticle and deliver the color inside the hair, LumiShine puts arginine at work to do a big part of this job. This allows us to drastically lower the ammonia percentage in LumiShine Permanent Cream Color while replenishing lost arginine inside the hair at the same time. This ensures clients leave the salon with shiny, healthy, conditioned hair and long-lasting color results. As an added bonus, the presence of a gentle fresh fragrance technology makes LumiShine Permanent Cream Color very comfortable for both client and stylist. Another great benefit in LumiShine is that both a letter and number system is used to identify the shades. This makes it super easy to understand the character of the shades regardless of what you were used to before. Now let's have a look at the shades. The families that have a natural or a 0.0 in the mix are the pre-blended series that will result in variations of browns and blondes. These browns and blondes range from balanced natural to more cool ash tones, smoky violet, warm golden and beige tones, or show subtle hues of copper and red. The families that do not have a natural in the mix are pure tone series. These are the copper, violet, red violet and red series, and these will provide vibrant and rich tones for clients who like a bold, fierce result. The double ash and blue ash series are both ideal to neutralize warmth on those clients wanting to go lighter and who fear any kind of warmth. The result? In-demand, cool brown and cool dark blonde tones. Besides this variety of shade families, LumiShine Permanent Cream Color also features 2 intensifiers to create even more intense results, and an extra lift series designed for those clients who want to go much lighter without using a bleach. All these color families need to be mixed with the dedicated LumiShine developers in a 1:1 mixing ratio, even the extra lift series. Now let's start with an exclusive, our 10 volume or 3% developer. Ideal for coloring tone on tone or going darker with permanent results. When no lift is required, 10 volume is more effective, it will respect the health of the hair more and guarantee longer lasting results. 20 volume or 6% developer is ideal to use on clients that want to go one level lighter than their natural hair and is also a must-have product to achieve perfect gray coverage. Speaking of gray coverage, on all our materials, we communicate a very simple gray coverage table. This table shows the series that will cover on their own 100% gray hair. And it shows when and how much natural needs to be used with the families that do not cover on their own. Do you have clients that want their grey 100% covered and at the same time want a really cool end result? We've got you covered. All the LumiShine Ash series can be used on 100% grey hair. Just mix the right amount of natural into it and cool grey coverage is a fact. When more lift is required, choose 30 volume or 9% of developer for 2 levels of lift and use 40 volume or 12% for 3 levels of lift. This last one is also the go-to developer when using our high lift series, the LumiShine Extra Lifts. This family features 3 shades to lift and deposit in one single step on virgin hair, and 1 shade designed to create caramel highlights on your darker based virgin hair clients. All LumiShine permanent cream color formulas are designed to work in just 35 minutes with the exception of 45 minutes when covering grey and 60 minutes when working with the extra lift colors. For pre and post color tips and instructions with LumiShine, check our Joicolor pre and post color care tutorial. Now at Joico, we think highly of product synergy, so using the appropriate home care products is a must to maintain a long-lasting shiny color at home. In a few words, with LumiShine Permanent Cream Color, all your clients will leave the salon with stronger, shiny, healthy hair and vibrant long-lasting color, thanks to our innovative Repair Plus technology. And the results are very easy to achieve thanks to easy formulation with this pre-blended color system where simplicity is our key focus. So if you are a colorist and prefer the ease of a pre-mixed color and at the same time have the highest quality demands when it comes to creating beautiful, shiny hair color and healthy hair, LumiShine can be your match. Lastly, we offer a variety of support tools to help you with your consultation, diagnose and formulation, ensuring your client's wish always matches the end result. Thank you very much for tuning in on this tutorial, and if you want to know more, go to our website for many more updates on Joico and education.